right. It is, I don't know what I'm gonna say. Listen, the time has come. Put this thing in primer. Yeah, that's right. I'm putting the 40 DeSoto. This is Javi's car, and I'm gonna put this bad boy in 3 coats of epoxy primer from Southern Polyurethane. We already did the body work on it. If you guys have been following along, I'm just trying to keep everything nice, clean, simple. So we got the car in 220. We're gonna end up spraying the whole car in epoxy primer. We're gonna give a couple extra coats to the bare metal and where we did body work on the car. And then we're gonna let that sit for a few days, come back, block the car again in 600 grit, and then from here go straight to the booth. Now, this is not my ideal area. I've already washed everything, I've blown everything down. I put water on the floor. I'm gonna most probably spray water again on the floor. I have a couple of fans in the back just to pull the overspray. Not my ideal spot, but I gotta make it happen. My booth is still wet from when we did the brand new epoxy flooring. We recoated it. And I know for a fact that these tires are gonna peel that epoxy off because the epoxy still needs to cure for a few more days. So I'm hoping by the end of the week, this is done in the booth and we can actually start spraying color on it and getting it ready for the next step of pinstriping. So stay tuned, guys. Banjo, that has to be good enough for you, bro, because I'm energized. Ah! All right, I don't know if you're gonna hear me really good. Got the epoxy ready to mix, ready to spray. Let's make this happen. So all I did right now, let me see if I can turn off the fans. Fixing my hair. So all I did right now on the car was spray epoxy just on a couple of the areas where we did body work. Let's see here. So you know that we did some body work here, we did body work here, we did quite a bit of body work in all these extra spots here. We had bare metal here, body work there, same thing. So we went around the car, did filler, did the filler, and then we did the epoxy, just this one coat. We'll come back, give it a second coat. We're gonna let this flash off and give it a second coat over the same areas, and then come around the car and give it another coat and make sure we get a nice uniform feel for this. But this is what it looks like as it dries. It almost looks like a single stage. So the car is gonna eventually look like a complete single stage paint job, like an old military gray color. But we want to go over the whole car, and then from there go into the sanding. But we're gonna let that sit. We're gonna let that sit for, once we have this sprayed in epoxy, we'll let it sit for a few days. If you try to sand epoxy, any epoxy, too early, it's gonna end up gumming up the sandpaper. It's not gonna give you the sand you want. This epoxy primer from SPI, Southern Polyurethane, is the one I've been using for the last 15, 16 years. It sands extremely well. It sands like 2K. So I know confidently I can walk around the whole car and spray 3 or 4 coats on this stuff. And on top of that, if I'm in that third coat, that fourth coat, it's almost like a powder coat. It really starts to, once it cures, it locks in and it keeps any moisture from coming into the vehicle or coming out. And on top of that, I stack all my filler on top of it. If I do it within the first 7 days of that window, I can do body filler right on top of the epoxy. It's still open. It's gonna have a chemical adhesion to it. So in case I miss anything or there's anything I'm not crazy about, I could come back and do filler work. You know, we deleted the antenna, so I'm gonna totally have to put a little filler work on that just to make sure everything's nice and even. I didn't have any way to get from the inside to hammer and dolly it out, so we're gonna end up doing that, filler in it, blocking it, and then shooting a little 2K and epoxy over that area. But hopefully you guys like what we're doing. Keep on following, like, subscribe, follow, do all that good stuff. All right, let's start spraying this bad boy completely.